Hey there, crypto enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we've got something exciting lined up for you. But before we dive in, I want to introduce you to the fastest growing crypto exchange in the market, BitGet. So, let's begin. Open your favorite web browser. And then head over to the search bar and search for bitget.com. Look for the Signup button, usually located at the top right corner of the homepage. Clicking this will take you to the registration page. On the registration page, enter your email address or mobile number. The choice is yours. Then create a secure password. And here comes the exciting part. To activate the $1,000 bonus, enter the promo code you see on the screen in the referral code field. Now, BitGet will ask you to verify your account. This step is crucial for ensuring the security of your account. You'll need to confirm your email or phone number and complete the identity verification process. Create a new tab. Then search for gmail.com. Or if you are using phone number, it will send a verification code to the Messages app. I am using Gmail, so once Gmail is opened, copy the verification code. Then paste it into the BitGet website. Once your account is created, before you dive into trading, it's essential to secure your account. BitGet offers features like two-factor authentication, 2FA, providing an additional layer of security. Hover over the icon on the top right, and in the drop-down menu, click on Security. On the page that opens, you'll see the option for Google Authentication. Simply download the Authenticator app on your mobile phone, scan the QR code, and you're all set. And there you have it, folks. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more exciting crypto content. Like this video if you enjoyed it, and be sure to follow us on social media for the latest updates. Until next time, happy trading!